Hi, Tony. This is Yong in Beijing. Sorry, I'm unable to make the cocktail party for your retirement. I'm here in Beijing. I wish you happy retirement. Thank you for your support for Bonobo business. In the past few years, I traveled with you to different places, give lecture, visit different hospitals. We had a lot of fun together. I learned a great deal from you. Thank you for your mentorship. I know you love your career and surgery. As you told me, you don't have any hobbies except surgery. I hope you can find whatever hobbies you enjoy for your retirement. You are the best in all aspects, including yelling. By the way, I enjoy missing your yelling at me very much. I give you another chance to yell. I'll see you next month at the COA in Shanghai. Happy retirement. Bye, see you then.